Hi, I'm Kelly with Backyard Pod. First, thank you for your deposit. Let me walk you through every step that follows so you know what's next. Your deposit locks in your project into our build calendar and kicks off our proven process. Here's the high-level installation timeline. The Pod Essentials collection takes about 4 to 8 weeks to build. The Pod Living is between 4 to 6 months, and Pod Villa is 6 to 12 months to build. If permits are required, add another 4 to 6 months on the front end of that timeline. Design finalization happens first. Depending on your pod, you'll get 2 to 3 design meetings. These design meetings are to review, revise, and finalize your pod plans. The faster we get approval from you, the faster that this initial process takes. We prepare your full plan set for permits and submit to the city. This happens once you pay the $15,000 permit fee. We take care of any comments from the city and handle resubmission for you. If you have an HOA, we recommend that you begin that paperwork early to avoid any delay in the build time. Communication is simple. You'll get a weekly status email from your project manager, plus milestone calls at permit approval, when we begin construction, final inspection, plus our 24-hour response guarantee. Once permits are approved and we receive your 35% permitting invoice deposit, we can begin installation. Construction is organized chaos. Little surprises pop up, and that's why we're here. We broke it down into 8 clear stages. Stage 1, foundation and trenching. The crew will come and outline the pod and confirm with you the location. The utilities are located, piers are set, and we dig trenches. Then we begin framing. That's where we install the subfloor, walls, and roof. We can begin stage 3 once we receive the 50% deposit from you. This is when it really starts to look like a pod. Stage 4 are for the rough-in. This is electrical plumbing lines and city inspection if necessary. Stage 5 is for drywall, paint, and flooring. This takes a little bit of patience because the drywall and paint take time to cure. We also install your luxury vinyl flooring at this stage as well. Now, time to power up your pod. This is where we connect your pod to your main electrical service and install outlets, switches, and all other finished electrical components. If your pod includes a bathroom, that's when this is installed as well. Stage 7, the home stretch. It begins with a soft walkthrough with you as a client, basically a to-do list for our team. This stage is when the 75% deposit is due. And lastly, the final walkthrough. This is where we make sure the pod meets all of your expectations. The final invoice is due, and we hand you the keys. After that is when your warranty kicks in. We offer 1 year bumper-to-bumper warranty. We also offer a 2-year on any major components, and then a 10-year for structural warranty. And our support line is always open. Watch for your first update email this week. If anything's unclear, reach out to your project manager at any time. Thank you again for choosing Backyard Pod. We are so excited to work with you.